Most people have a weak back and have no idea, and it's costing them in every other lift they do. Today, I'm walking you through my exact ChatGPT built pull workout. Back, biceps, and a rowing machine finisher that is going to absolutely finish you off. Every exercise, every set, every rep. Let's go. What's up everyone? I'm Miguel and welcome back to Hi5 Fit. If you're new here, this channel is built around 5 pillars. Move it, mind right, eat well, rest, and recover, and real life. Everything I put out lives inside one of these categories because real wellness isn't just about the gym, it's about building a life that actually works for you. I'm using ChatGPT as my personal trainer for this entire journey, and I'm documenting everything. The real workouts, the real habits, the real results, no gimmicks, no filters, no highlight reel, just showing up and putting in the work. If that's what you've been looking for, hit subscribe and come along for the ride. Let's get into day 3. Day 3 is a pull day. Back and biceps. This is one of my favorite sessions of the week because when you train your back, everything else and your training gets stronger. ChatGPT programmed 4 solid strength exercises and finished it off with a rowing machine conditioning finisher that is no joke. Let's break it all down. We're starting with shoulder rolls for 1 full minute, simple but intentional. Pull days puts a lot of demand on your shoulder girdle, the lats, the rear delts, and the rotator cuff. 1 minute of shoulder rolls gets the joint loose, improves your range of motion, and primes everything to pull heavy. Don't skip it. First exercise, neutral grip lat pull down, 4 sets of 10 reps. This is your primary back builder for the session. The neutral grip, palms facing each other, takes stress off your wrists and elbows and puts the focus right where it belongs, your lats. Pull the bar down to your upper chest, squeeze at the bottom, and control the weight all the way back up. Don't let your arms just snap back to the top. That's wasted reps. 4 sets of 10 fills every single one. Next, seated cable row. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps, where the pull down builds the width of your back. The row builds the thickness. These 2 movements together cover the entire back, width and depth. Sit tall, chest up, and drive your elbows back like you're trying to put them in your back pockets. Don't round your shoulders forward on the way out. Control the stretch. 3 sets of 10 to 12. Go heavier on the sets where 10 feels comfortable. Rear delt machine fly. 3 sets of 15. This one is underrated and most people skip it completely. Your rear delts are the muscles at the back of your shoulder. They're almost always undertrained. Weak rear delts means rounded posture, shoulder instability, and injury risk down the road. Sit facing the pad, arms extended, and squeeze the handles back as far as you can. Feel the contraction in the back of your shoulder every single rep. 3 sets of 15, lighter weight, full control, full range of motion. Finish the strength portion with easy bar curls. 3 sets of 12, the easy bar takes pressure off your wrist compared to a straight bar and still gives you a full bicep contraction. Stand tall, elbows pinned to your sides, and curl with control. Don't swing your body to get the weight up. If you're doing that, the weight is too heavy. 3 sets of 12, slow on the way down is where the real work happens. Strength work is done. Now we get on the rowing machine and close this session out. The protocol is simple. 250-meter sprint, rest 60 seconds. Repeat 6 times total. Here's the thing about rowing. It's a full body movement. Your legs drive, your core stabilizes, your back and arms pull. After a full pull day, this finisher targets everything you just trained and pushes it to the limit. The last 2 rounds are going to be tough. That's by design. Push through them. That is day 3. Pull day complete. Back, biceps, and a rowing finisher that tested everything I had left in the tank. ChatGPT built this entire session. I didn't have to think about what to do, how many sets, what order. It was all mapped out. My only job was to execute. That's the system. If you want to run this exact workout yourself, everything is right here in this video. Save it, share it with someone who needs to start training their back, and let me know in the comments. Do you train back and biceps together or do you split them up? Drop your answer below. I genuinely want to know. Hit that button if this was helpful. Subscribe to Hi5 Fit and come be part of the journey. I'll see you in the next one. Let's keep pulling forward, one workout at a time.